वीडियो में और आज है Halloween day, आज है October 31st.
Planning to play a game with some people. Well, basically some girls, and I'm gonna play.
And they didn't, it was a failure basically. कोई बात नहीं अभी Tuesday, Wednesday, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No! Oh my god.
Okay.
No!
Simplest Halloween costume. क्या हाल है भाई? अपना जाट भाई मिल गया. Bro, this है Halloween day.
Club me
Like, I don't know
five
when.
times.
When I was like, my best idea is like go out. Like I thought I didn't.
आज है October 31st, and this is my friend again. He's dressed up in his costume. I'll show you. What is this dress
It's
costume?
called Gantz.
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 So मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ Gantz is an animated Japanese, right?
Yeah.
Japanese series or character, and he's dressed up in that. So basically, we are walking towards like Geek and Korea, I guess, right? And we're gonna interact with the people, and we're gonna like try to do a little prank on them. So stay tuned, guys. So देखो भाई ऐसे तैयार हो है ये लड़का. इसे ड्रेस काफी प्रिपरेशन करी है. First
Need to
person.
find the bar.
I need to find a bar. You're gonna go in outside of a bar,
Then I'm gonna set my equipment in the place that is like
right?
okay. And then it's just right there.
We can try.
Those ones there, maybe.
Yeah, we can try and ask them for sure. The bear guy, maybe the is that a dress? Yeah, it looks like a dress over there. Look over here. He has become a cow like this guy over here. Yeah. It's funny, man. So
It started.
yeah, it's better here.
It's okay. It's okay. Whatever. So here I am at the Halloween 2024, and today I'm planning to play a game with some people. Well, basically some girls, and I'm gonna play a game called Weekend English. No, yeah, Weekend of England, something like that. I don't know exactly the translation in Spanish from Spanish, but it's a game that we play in Mexico, usually when people is drunk, whatever. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, let's go.
गाइस अभी उलिसस गया है बार के अंदर और मतलब किसी को लेके आने के लिए साथ अभी वो सो यू कैन सी ही इज कमिंग बैक मतलब वो वापस आ रहा है देखते हैं अब क्या हुआ है. Did you find anyone, bro?
Yeah, like I did it, but just like one group because I checked the whole bar.
Right.
There's nothing.
There's
And
nothing.
The group I asked, like, they're okay.
Okay. So are they coming or?
No.
Okay, no worries.
We
Yeah, we can ask someone else, you know. So guys, abhi like we tried approaching like different people and they didn't, it was a failure basically. कोई बात नहीं अभी हम दूसरी जगह जा रहे हैं. Hopefully it will be more better. So sorry for the lightning is bad here. You know it's dark.
Okay.
All right, we're good now.
Do you have a channel or TikTok? Like,
I'm thinking about to upload it to like just my Instagram.
Instagram, but later we're
so
gonna.
later you can give your
Yeah,
like,
sure.
Yeah. So ready?
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right. I think you turn opposite, right?
So two same, one opposite.
Yes.
Okay.
Thursday, Friday. Okay, two opposite now.
Okay.
Okay, two more. Saturday, Sunday. Wow, two opposites. So
Only two.
two opposite. Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to do it again or? That's it. Yeah, that's
You
that's.
watched Sunday?
I did Sunday.
Oh my god.
That was fast. I did.
It was so rough. Okay.
I did
Okay,
it.
so like what's the
So only 2 times.
On two time opposite. Yeah. So we have
$20 for you.
$20.
okay,
Yeah.
nice.
So
Like
How
what's
do
the
how do we manage the other thing?
a kiss no? But like I don't know.
maybe on the cheek you can give, or maybe
Yeah, maybe on
it was 3 times the other, right? So you can give like
No, but the days are 7. So
So-
it's
five.
five. Sorry,
Sorry.
my bad.
What's wrong with your mind?
Yeah.
All right then. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Sorry, I was messed up. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Oh my god.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Five.
Okay.
That's five.
Five. Okay. Perfect. So
To me, kind of, but
Yeah.
then after it was like not really sure, whatever.
right. So how many people are there? You can see like a lot of people are there. So guys, अभी मैं मैड हैटर आया हूँ और आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कितनी ज़्यादा लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है। सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब जाएंगे अंदर भाई। पूरे मतलब आज ड्रेसअप होके आए हुए हैं, हैलोवीन है ना आज, इसलिए। तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं दूसरे बार में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे उलिसेस को कुछ मिला नहीं है, मतलब लाइक नोबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड मे बी, बट वी गोना कीप ट्राइंग एंड गेट अनदर person in our prank video. So yeah, चलते रहो, let's go bro, keep walking, you know. तो देख सकते हो उलिसेस अभी इस वक्त बात कर रहा है गाइस अभी, पर मुझे लगता नहीं कि वो मतलब सक्सेसफुल लग नहीं रहा मुझे कुछ खास. So guys, this is the nightlife of Montreal. Halloween, 31st October 2024. You can see all these people coming out of one bar and maybe going home or hopping into another bar. और आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं बार के अंदर. इसका नाम है ब्रूटोपिया बार का नाम. और यहाँ पे काफ़ी 2 लड़कियाँ मतलब विचेस की ड्रेस में है. ये हैलोवीन कॉस्ट्यूम है. सही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. और अभी बारिश भी पड़ने लगी है यार. पता नहीं हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि जाए या ना जाए, मतलब कंटिन्यू करें या ना करें. सो अभी देखते हैं क्या करना है आगे.
So no, the thing is that I can see if I can learn something from this is that yeah, of course we have to get the attention of the girl that is like the how can I say, the boss, like
The balls?
in a group, in the boss, like in a group there's always a girl.
Oh yeah,
that is
yeah,
like the boss.
yeah. One of their friends. So
Yeah, exactly.
they don't let us.
So we have to
Look, भाइयों ये देखो, ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल ड्रेस. This is the simplest Halloween costume. क्या हाल है भाई? अपना जाट भाई मिल गया. Bro, देख लो भाई. द जाट लिख रखा है उसने, मैं लिफाफे के ऊपर द जाट लिख रखा है. Okay, yeah, say. Sorry. तो यार अभी आप देख सकते हो मैं इस वक्त हूँ, अभी रात के 1:30 बज चुके हैं और अभी आप देख सकते हो भीड़ थोड़ी सी कम हुई है. मतलब लोग जो बाहर खड़े थे वो अंदर गए और जो अंदर थे वो बाहर से, मतलब क्लब के बाहर अंदर से आ रहे हैं बाहर. और अभी तो मतलब अभी थोड़ा सा और टाइम बचा है, लाइक 3 बजे तक यहाँ पे सब कुछ क्लोज होता है. और आप देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे काफ़ी लोग हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंड ब्रो? सो भाइयों अभी देखो ये जो लड़की खड़ी है ना यहाँ पे, यहाँ से डर गई है। एक बंदा आया, उसने एकदम इनकी तरफ को उसने देखा और बस ये जो वाइट वाली लड़की है पूरी डर गई है, लाइक घबरा गई, चिल्लाई जोर से और मेरी तरफ आई। मैं कहना यार ये क्या हो गया, फिर बाद में पता चला कि लाइक शी वाज जस्ट स्कैर्ड लाइक टू मच। सो hey boy ready? Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, one. Sunday, two. So 2 times you guys turn on the same side.
Okay.
So slap, 2 slap.
Slap me
I done
5
one.
times.
But I was like, my best idea is like to go out. Like let's go to dinner over the Before I used to be like, oh my god, we'll be back there.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Ready, guys? Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, it's 3 times same.
3 times same.
Yeah, and the rest is opposite.
Okay.
So high five 3 times.
Okay.
Woo!
3 times.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. तो दोस्तों अभी लास्ट हमें एक और लाइक बंदे मिल गए, मतलब वो करने के लिए पूरा करने के लिए प्रैंक वीडियो। और सो वी फाइनली लाइक अप्रोच देम एंड दे सेड यस। बट दिस टाइम हमने क्या करा, इस बार हमने रूल्स चेंज कर दिए। लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक किस वी जस्ट डिड लाइक हाई फाइव, राइट? एंड इन द प्रीवियस वन वी डिड स्लैप। So that was funny and a quick change in the process. Yeah. Now we are trying to end our kind of vlog. So yeah, I mean that will be all for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching this. अगर मुझे कुछ और मिलता है तो मैं like थोड़ा सा शूट करूँगा। अगर मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं तो फिर मैं तो like it's already 2 o'clock in the night. Take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next time.